It's the holiday season, and you know what that means. Maybe not a lot of writing gets done, or maybe it does. I've got a really busy holiday season, and we had some other things happening in the family, so I don't know how much I'm going to get done, but that's okay, because you know what I did do for you? I wrote a spoof. I wrote a spoof of a beloved poem. So yeah, I ruined the poem. Are you ready? Here we go. 'Twas the night before Fictionmas, when all through the house only a writer was stirring and starting to grouse. The plot line was all outlined, but in need of some flair, in hopes that Saint Publishing soon would be there. The protagonist was nestled all snug in her head, with conflicts and character arcs that were already half dead. Those tropes in her story and POV gaps had just settled down for a long backstory trap. When on social media there appeared such a clatter, the writer scrolled through her feed to learn about the whole matter. Away from her manuscript she knew was slapdash, she opened all her browsers and avoided that word mash. Facebook and TikTok apps began to glow, gave luster to the avoiding that wordy chapter too slow. But what do her wondering eyes should appear but a miniature epiphany and 9 fiction muses with successful careers. With new subplots and pivot points, it all came so quick. She knew in a moment it was all gonna click. More rapid than Amazon algorithms, the ideas came, and she typed and tapped and called them by name. Now pacing, now dialogue, now tension and diction, on conflict, on showing, on genre and fiction. To the end of the chapter, to the end of this tale. Now right away, the plot will prevail. Okay, that's my bit of silliness for this weekend or for this week. I hope to see you next week. I'm going to be working out a whole bunch of showing, not telling tips if I get a chance. Otherwise, it's another really dumb, spoof of a beloved poem. I hope you get all of your stuff done. I hope you get some writing time done. If you haven't already, subscribe. I'm so close to 500. It's kind of exciting. Click that notify button, and remember that I have a masterclass on the power of archetype and writing a more masterful sentence. The link is down in the description box. See you next week. Until then, remember to dream of having time to write. Create, between wrapping presents and doing all those holiday things. And embrace the holidays, your relatives, your friends, your family. Because that's where you get your best ideas from, right? Bye-bye. See you next week.